Exporting the general ledger from QuickBooks Online can feel heavy, especially during cleanups, audits, or migrations. In this video, I'll show you how to export a general ledger quickly from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt, so you can get exactly the data you need in Excel or CSV in minutes.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection and you'll land SaasAnt dashboard.
After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, click Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose General Ledger from the Transaction dropdown. Next, select your date type. Transaction date, use this for the actual date the financial event happened. Created date, use this for the exact day the record was first added. Last updated date, use this to catch any recent edits or corrections. Set your date range, then choose a template.
You can also use the default simple mapping. Here, I've chosen a customized template with the fields I need, or create your own template by using Add New Template to control which fields are exported.
Click Search to load the general ledger entries based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select the rows you want, and click Download. Choose CSV for a simple file or XLSX for Excel. Then your export is ready for cleanup, reconciliations, audit support, or sharing with your client or advisor. Start with the free trial to export your general ledger faster using better filters and reusable templates without digging through multiple QuickBooks reports.